everyone, it's your librarian Teresa. I've had some questions about using Beanstack and in particular what to do if you've recorded something by mistake, if you've done it wrong or if you entered the wrong information and you just don't want to have that on your reading log. So I thought I'd do this quick video because it's easier to show you than to explain it in writing. So here I am on our website, which is mercerpubliclibrary.beanstack.org. And I've logged into my account, and then this is under my name. I'm going to go to the Adult Summer Reading Program and click Return to this challenge. If you're doing this for a child, you just make sure their name is up and click on Return to the challenge for the child. And then on these various tabs that are here, you can look at your progress, and one thing you can look at is your challenge log. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see all the things that you've logged. For kids, this is logged by minutes. For adults, this is logged by books. And you can see that I have logged a book by Fannie Flagg, but when I put in my second book, I forgot to enter the title, and I don't like that really. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to show me the details about this log. It says no title, it says the date, and here's the option that I have to remove it. So I can just click remove, click OK, and now I'm back to my log just showing the other books that I have logged. Now what you can do is go ahead and log again to re-enter that reading log for whatever information you were missing the first time, the title or whatever else you wanted to put on there. Hope that's helpful.